Hey guys, in today's fast-paced world, we're constantly bombarded with information. Whether you're a student juggling assignments, a professional managing multiple projects, or a creative trying to capture your ideas, the struggle to stay organized and focused is real. We often find ourselves overwhelmed, leading to stress and missed opportunities. So how can we streamline our workflow and regain control over our time and tasks? The goal is simple: to enhance productivity and clarity in our daily lives, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. Introducing MyLens AI, your ultimate productivity partner. This innovative platform uses advanced AI technology to help you organize your thoughts, prioritize your tasks, and visualize your goals. With features like intelligent task management, personalized reminders, and seamless integration with your favorite apps, MyLens AI transforms chaos into clarity. Head over to Google and search MyLens AI and hit enter. Now click on the very first link and it will lead you to the homepage of MyLens AI. From the top right corner, you can log in and sign up. For now, I click on Sig In as I already have created an account. You can also log in with Google account. This is the main dashboard of Lens AI. From the left tab, you can manage setting, members, and plan. From the drop-down, you can select best visuals, timeline, mind map, quadrant, table, and flowchart. And from the input drop-down menu, you can select different input type, including CSV/Excel, PDF, image, YouTube link, link address, and long text. You can also select from the given suggestion according to your specific requirement for the demo purpose. I will ask about technology and will select mind map for the video. Wait for the process to complete, and MyLens AI will create a mind map for the given query. Once the mind map is created, MyLens AI offers us to explore the topic in detail and will suggest more related headings to expand our knowledge about the topic. From the list of suggested topics, we will select detailed look at AI and ML topic. You can also write your own query, but I will go with the suggested one. Wait for MyLens AI to expand the existing mind map. Left side tabs allow us to select the existing timeline we have created early. The timeline is ready to be explored and view insights, and allow us to gather informations, explore the detailed list of topics and related information in an organized way. MyLens allow us to edit the created timeline to our needs, giving the flexibility to add, remove text from the timeline. We can edit information if needed and can save changes. We can share the created timeline, allowing anyone with the link to access the storyboard. The share link will redirect the user to current timeline, giving access to all of the timelines and mind maps that are created. The canvas allows us to zoom in and out of the canvas to view the mind maps in detail. Now let's go back to the main canvas and show how you can delete a mind map of your choice with a single click. From the top right corner, click on the three dots to access the delete functionality. But first, you have to select the canvas you want to delete. Once selected, click on Delete to remove the canvas. And last but not least, you can download the canvas to view offline and share with your teacher, student, or any other user. The link to the website is provided in the description. Try it yourself and let me know in the comments section how you have used this amazing tool. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get latest updates about AI tools and trends. Thanks for watching Tech Root Solution.